CPA, cost per action. Marketing is a type of affiliate marketing where advertisers pay affiliates a commission for specific actions completed by the referred customers rather than just for clicks or impressions. In CPA marketing, desired actions can vary and might include lead generation, getting users to sign up for a newsletter, fill out a contact form, or provide their email address. Sales, earning a commission when a referred user makes a purchase or subscribes to a service. App installs, promoting mobile apps and earning a commission when users download and install them. Form submissions, encouraging users to complete surveys or forms. Trial offers, convincing users to sign up for free trials of products or services. CPA marketing can be a win for advertisers and affiliates. Advertisers benefit by paying only for successful actions, while affiliates have the potential to earn commissions without the need to sell products directly. Here's how it generally works. Affiliate network. Affiliates join an affiliate network or program that connects them with advertisers offering CPA deals. Promotion. Affiliates promote the advertiser's offers using various marketing channels, such as websites, email marketing, social media, or paid advertising. Tracking. Affiliate networks provide tracking links or codes to monitor the traffic and actions generated by the affiliate's promotions. Conversion. When users complete the desired action, the affiliate earns a commission. Payment. Affiliates receive payments based on the agreed-upon commission structure, which may be a flat fee or a percentage of the sale. Successful CPA marketing requires selecting the right offers, understanding your target audience, and employing effective marketing strategies. It's essential to comply with ethical and legal guidelines, as misleading or spammy tactics can harm your reputation and lead to account termination within affiliate networks. Keep in mind that while CPA marketing can be lucrative, it's not necessarily a lazy way to make money. It often requires effort, skill, and ongoing optimization to succeed in this competitive field. Finding the best CPA marketing websites can depend on your specific niche, location, and preferences. However, here are some reputable CPA affiliate networks that are well regarded in the industry. 1. Max Bounty. It is a popular CPA network known for its wide range of offers and prompt payments. They have a user-friendly platform and offer various types of CPA campaigns. 2. Peerfly. This is known for its excellent support and a variety of CPA offers in multiple verticals. They have a good reputation among affiliates. 3. ClickBooth, formerly known as PerformSpy. It offers a wide selection of CPA offers, particularly in the health and beauty niches. They also provide excellent tracking and reporting tools. 4. For-Me-at-Work Media. This offers a diverse range of CPA offers and is known for its user-friendly interface and timely payments. 5. Odds. It specializes in mobile content and app install offers. If you're interested in mobile CPA marketing, this network could be a good choice. 6. FitJ Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction. This affiliate is one of the largest affiliate networks, offering both CPA and other affiliate programs. They work with many well-known brands. 7. Rakuten Advertising, formerly Rakuten Marketing. It offers a wide variety of CPA and affiliate programs, including partnerships with major brands. 8. Share Isa Haseo. It is a well-established affiliate network with a diverse range of CPA offers in various niches. 9. Awin. This is a global affiliate marketing network with a broad range of CPA offers from international advertisers. 10. ClickBlink. It specializes in digital products, making it a popular choice for affiliates looking to promote e-books, software, and other digital items. Before joining any CPA network, it's crucial to thoroughly research their reputation, payment terms, available offers, and affiliate support. Additionally, consider your own niche and marketing expertise to determine which network aligns best with your goals. Keep in mind that success in CPA marketing often requires a well-thought-out strategy and ongoing effort to optimize your campaigns. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos like this.